Good morning, terrific thinkers. Today is Thursday. We're almost at the end of the week, and these are your slides for the morning. There are some brain teaser puzzles for you to go ahead and try out just for fun. And today's agenda is you're going to do the day 2 of the math drag racing activity. In reading, you're having to watch a teacher video and then watch other videos on your actual research topic to take notes on. In writing, you're going to watch a teacher video and start writing the supporting paragraphs for your essay. And then in social studies, if you'd like, if you've taken the virtual field trip so far to the aquarium, you can go ahead and make your reflection video on Flipgrid. Today is Throwback Thursday. And what you can do is watch old home movies or go through some old family albums together with your mom, your dad, your siblings. This is actually a picture of me. I was maybe 6 years old, and I believe that was my tap dancing costume when I was younger. But something I just love to do is watch videos and see me when I was little and just kind of like remember things that my cousins and I did growing up and playing, or pictures from old vacations. Sometimes I really even like just looking at pictures of when my mom was younger and seeing my family before I was even born. So I think it might be cool if you got the opportunity to do that today. Today in reading, you're going to need to start by watching this video. This week, again, our goal is to read across more text and synthesize or combine the learned information and add it to your subtopics. So you're going to watch a video that's going to model how to watch a video on penguins and then use those same subtopics that we've been using throughout this week and from last week, and again, combine the information together that we're learning about penguins. After you've watched this video, you're going to watch some videos on your own research topic. To do that, you can go right to your EPIC collections, which I'm going to show you in a second. You can go on YouTube. If you do go on YouTube, please don't forget to type for kids, like tiger video for kids. And you want to look for the videos that are like 5 minutes or less. You really don't want to spend all day at your computer. Maybe you do, that's fine, but I do recommend the shorter videos because you're going to learn you have to re-watch it more than once. And then Kids National Geographic also has some wonderful videos on your animals as well, and actually some of those are even on EPIC. So there is a note organizer. I'm going to show you. And this is for your video notes, so it just specifically says that. Again, if you're writing on paper, then you can just make a new page and write video notes at the top. Again, try to make your subtopics the same that they have been since you created them last week, okay? Going back to our slides. So this is here for you to print, but it is also, there is an editable version on Google. Some of you are still clicking the link and then asking for permission. I can't give you permission from this link, because if I do, then if you type in it, then it's going to show up to all the other kids in class. So if you want the typing version, then you have to go to Google Classroom in the reading section, okay? So I'm just going to show you how to access the videos in your EPIC collection. So I'm going to model with the Tiger collection. Okay, I'm in the Tiger collection on EPIC, and you can see the first thing it does is it shows me all of the books. These are the books that, if this was your topic, these have been there since last week, since you first started researching. Below that is another heading, and I need to move my face, that says videos. So I believe that most of your topics do have at least 3 videos on them. Some of you have more than that, and it's okay. Okay, you're going to watch at least 1, maybe 2. You want to watch them all, that's fine too. So you click right on the video, and it's going to open for you right inside EPIC. Okay, so you don't have to go research on YouTube, and you don't have to go research on National Kids Geographic. There are videos already on there for you, but of course, you are your own person, and you are welcome to research on your own, or watch one of the videos I found and then find your own. Okay? Once you are done taking notes on your video, you do want to try to again synthesize or combine your notes with your notes from earlier this week in your second book that you read, or from last week from the first book that you read. So again, try to see if you're finding recurring patterns about your character's diet or habitat, or how it's in danger, and try to see if you can learn and connect those pieces together. I noticed in my penguin videos that I was kind of learning about the penguin's body and his throat in one book, and then in the next book I was learning about the types of slimy fish that it eats and how it eats it in one gulp. And I was like, well, how does this thing not slip out of his mouth? It's so slippery. But when I put the information together, it was like, oh, because of these sharp barbs in the back of its throat, that helps keep the fish in place, and it's able to swallow it. So I took information from 2 different books, fit it together, and was able to help grow that idea and understand that a little bit more. And that's kind of your goal with synthesizing. These are the model notes from the video so that you can take a look at them. Here are notes from the books that we've been reading about penguins. Here are notes from the video about penguins. And then again, you see that things are circled in red to show how we're connecting those pieces of information together. Okay? As always, if you've forgotten your topic, they're on there for you. Because of Winn-Dixie, today and tomorrow are the last days to be able to listen to chapter 26. Again, this is the last chapter because of Winn-Dixie, and we will be doing something with the book next week. Math today, you're going to watch the math video first that Miss Mulhall made for us. And then there's a drag racing video to kind of introduce you to today's questions and scenario, and then the inventory sheet that you need to complete for it as well. For writing, you're going to start by watching this video that's going to model writing your supporting paragraphs. Yesterday you wrote your introduction paragraphs and you planned some details for your essay. Today you're going to write at least one of those supporting detail paragraphs, and this is going to help walk you through that and remind you about the rubric that you have. This rubric is from earlier in the year for your reading responses. Make sure you have your organizer available, and again, you're just going to continue your essay, whether it's on paper or in the Google Classroom copy that you started yesterday. Please don't forget that you do have 3 days in all to do this. This is day 2, so you should not finish the essay today, okay? Then, of course, we have science, where we have our space activities for the week, and social studies, okay? Again, this was the optional activity today, was to try and go on Flipgrid and share your experiences with the aquarium, okay? Good luck. I'm here if you need help. Bye.